I'm so excited to do some bowling today. I bet I'm gonna win.
No, I'm gonna win.
Girls, don't fight. We are all here to have some fun. Wow, this place is very huge. This place is very colorful, right, Ken? Yes, Barbie. There's so much games in here. We are having so much fun, right, Skipper? Yeah. Which game should we play now, Skipper? I don't know. There's so much to choose.
I'm for sure winning this toy. I almost got it. Let me try again. No, I didn't win any toy.